Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, February 11, 2022. Yesterday was an ugly day. We got off to a nice start. There was a big gap down that the buyers stepped in aggressively on right at the open. We ran higher significantly. We filled a gap that was about 60 points or so in the S&P and then turned over and went right back down to the lows, closing near the lows of the session, finishing down over 1% on the day after filling a gap that was about 60 points. So pretty significant reversal. Ugly day yesterday, and what we're going to be looking at this morning is what has happened historically following an ugly day going into Friday. So I've got all four instruments selected here. The setup will be based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, right now, we are trading pretty close to where we closed yesterday, so I have no idea where we're going to open, so I'm going to skip over the opening filters here just because it would be a complete guess and no idea which way it's going to go. It could go either way. So I'm just going to leave that out for this study and then go down to the price patterns library. I'm going to say yesterday closed 1% lower, or at least 1% lower, so greater than 1% lower there. And then I'm going to go into the indicators library. I'm going to say that we closed below a 10-day simple moving average, which we did here. I've selected that from the active today, but above a 200-day simple moving average, which is that bottom selection there. I got both of those. And then lastly, in the calendar library, go ahead and grab Friday right here, and now I can click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when it is a Friday. The prior day closed below a 10 but above a 200-day simple moving average, and it was down at least 1%. So weakness coming into the end of the week. Historically, we've got 60 samples in the S&P dating back to 2003. There are 88 samples in the NASDAQ, 55 in the Dow, 71 in the Russell. Win rates here a little bit weak on some of these. S&P coming in 42%, have closed above the opening print for the session. For the NASDAQ, it's 48%. Dow is the weakest at 35%, and Russell pretty neutral at 52%. If we look at the average moves, fairly similar in size for the S&P. The NASDAQ has a larger average win. The Dow is fairly similar in size, and then Russell a little bit larger average loss. So average moves are a bit mixed, and a couple of these have a little bit weaker win rates following that sizable down day going into Friday. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.